Hello, Merry Christmas and welcome to another episode of Mark II Golf Stories. So you might have seen on a post I did the other week that I've moved house and I finally got somewhere that's got a garage. Now I asked on that whether you'd be interested in seeing the garage and seeing and hearing about all my plans for it. At the time of recording this video, 76% of you said yes. The rest of you said yes, but on the other channel, or no. So I'm sorry to those of you who said yes, but on the other channel, and no, but I'm going to be doing it here on this channel, Mark II Golf Stories, because it is kind of related to my car. So yeah, here's the garage. Ta-da! I'll show you inside it and I'll talk about the plans I've got for it. Okay, so let's go. Obviously this door will need a repaint. Let's have a look inside. Boxes and crap. So yeah, as I said, just moved house. So obviously it's now full of boxes and other things that I need to move into the sheds. I'm going to quickly get all this stuff packed down and emptied, and then I'll show you around on the inside. But first, let's have a look on the outside. There's this huge bush which is blocking the door. So I just cut back all of this so I can get access to that door, which is, you can't really see it from here because they're fucking shite. There's a door there. So yeah, cut all that back so we can get access to that. First, let's get all this shit moved. Boom! There we go. Everything's cleared out, got a load more space. So I'll bring you in and see what I'm thinking. Okay, there we go. A lot more space now, it's all cleared out. So next should probably be to give it a sweep. I'd like to give the floor a good painting and sealing, get some nice flooring for it. At least paint the walls white. Ideally, I'd like to board them up, get it nice and flat, put some nice shelves up. Change the lighting, get some nice lighting in here. Then bring my golf inside. Well, get it to the house first and then bring it inside. A few of the jobs that need doing there before we do any of that. It's all rotten down here, so I need replacing. We'll replace this too, right? The whole frame actually. Like I said before, paint the garage door. Yeah, we've got power. Got lights. Let's get a parts washer as well down here. Yeah, well pleased with it. Also, it'd be good to be able to get out of here. Let's open that. Yeah, that's my garage. Thanks for watching through this video and listening to me talk about my plans. I know not everybody wanted it, but I'm glad some of you were interested in it. If you've got a garage and you've got any ideas, recommendations to improve it, make it look smarter, let me know down in the comments below. But in the meantime, please drop a like. If you're interested in this sort of thing, click on subscribe. I'll see you in another video again soon, and I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas and all the best for 2025. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.